4K Sony projector installed. All wires out of sight. Power plugs back there. And HDMI. Here's the mount. And there's the projector. But there's nothing up there behind the drywall to support it. Hence that 2x8. Task, get this 2x8, put it up there so we can secure the mount, which involves me. Going into the meat grinder on this one. Got the forbidden cotton candy here. Oh, I could actually walk through here. Man, look at the electrician and HVAC. Guys, do a good job cleaning up. Let's do this. We did this once, we can do it again. As for personal protection equipment, you don't have any. Apart from a mask, very thin paper one. Let's grab our equipment. The block of wood, where's the blower? Here it is. Okay. Alright. Gotta watch your footing and your head. I could get stabbed by hundreds of roofing nails here. Light, I see the light. Okay. Alright. Can't afford the fuel one. Ah, it's hot. Okay, that's lunch. Yeah, buddy. Sweet. Not a good idea to lean on the drywall. Yeah. My knees are in complete pain. This tough part, retracing steps. Pretty sure I just lost a couple years off my life doing this. You jerk. Can't forget the gear. This mask is literally just holding in all of the stupid insulation. So I'm breathing it in, no matter what. Well done. We're out of here. .4K Sony projector installed. All wires out of sight. Power plugs back there. And HDMI is also back there. That's all running through the walls. So HDMI is running through the walls. We ran that across the top plate when we were framing this. And it goes to here, the receiver. You look back here. There's the sound system. All plugged in. Kind of a jumbled mess back there, but at least you can't see it. There we go. If you noticed, the projector doesn't really look like it's centered. In case you're wondering what this goes to, that takes up the entire wall, guys. Full-on sound system, speaker, center, right, all around, guys. Pretty epic, actually. That's awesome.